Bitcoin is up 8% in the past 24 hours. Ethereum is up 20% in the past 24 hours. The total crypto market cap is up almost 10% in the past 24 hours. Trading volume is now exploding. The entire market is on fire. So at this point, I think it's safe to say we're back. What is up, guys? So right now, the skeptics and the bears are shocked. But you know who's not shocked? You guys, the viewers of this channel. We are following the parabolic trend still to this day. I don't think a lot of people expected this price action today, but why is it happening? This news here from Eric Balkunis, a senior ETF analyst at Bloomberg, stated that him and his colleagues are now raising their odds of an Ethereum spot ETF approval. Previously, their odds were set at 25%. Now they are 75%. That is a substantial rise in odds. And as a result, Ethereum is experiencing a flash pump, up 20% on the day. This is going to cause a lot of confidence. Speculator confidence will increase for the altcoin market across the board. And it's already happening. If you look at the total three, the altcoin market cap, you can see it is breaking out here on the daily. Same type of continuation breakout that we had back here in the early 2024, a consolidation with a break of the downtrend, a consolidation with a break of the downtrend, continue the uptrend. This is just a simple continuation pattern. We're going to discuss the Bitcoin weekly parabolic trend in just a moment. But first, I want to discuss the Ethereum weekly chart. We can see that Ethereum is also beginning to gain that momentum, that sort of exponential rise in price. There is an accelerating trend forming. Ethereum may also look to create parabolic structure going into the rest of this year. An Ethereum ETF approval would be a major driver for sentiment to increase. And usually when speculator confidence is on the rise, there is something that takes place, and that is a drop in Bitcoin dominance. And a lot of my regular viewers who are very much pro-Bitcoin, Bitcoin maximalists, and don't really like altcoins, they're probably not going to like the fact that I'm making this video talking about it, but this is what's happening in the market today. Ethereum's up 20%, the altcoins are surging, and all of this plays a role in the dynamics of the market. Dominance coming down is not bad for Bitcoin. In fact, what it means is that speculators are confident enough to speculate on coins. Poop coins are going up, taking up dominance. That means that people are really confident. And what does that mean? That means that Bitcoin's price is likely also going to get some of that confidence and surge. This is very important to understand. Now we have the orange line, which is the Bitcoin line chart on the monthly. Bitcoin's losing dominance and it's going up in price. Bitcoin's losing dominance, it's going up in price. And right now, if Bitcoin begins to lose dominance, I also think it's going to be going up in price. The altcoins gaining dominance is simply a sign of confidence, and that's good for Bitcoin. And today's move for Ethereum is pointing to an alt season incoming. The Bitcoin weekly, not much of an explanation needed anymore because, well, you can see it's just a spitting image. This is what we've been talking about for over half a year, almost a full year. Our expectations are being met right now. We have an accelerating trend, an exponential trend, a parabolic trend, continuing to put exponential higher lows into the weekly chart. We're about to break into new highs for Bitcoin, a new all-time high. And usually when Bitcoin clears the all-time high, that's when the altcoins see their biggest move. And usually when Bitcoin clears the all-time high, that's where most of the gains are generated in the cycle, is that initial breakout usually provides some of the best gains. And on a side note, what is going to happen with certainty is that once we hit a new all-time high, if we hit a new all-time high, probably will, people are going to become extremely confident and they're going to say, Kev, we're going to go way past 90. It's not bullish enough. All those kinds of things. People are going to be overly confident. And when people are over exuberant and overly confident, that is not good for you or me because that means everybody is becoming fully invested in the market. People are most confident when they are fully invested and the price is moving up. That's why the price is moving up, because people, the masses, the crowd is becoming fully invested. That is what is accelerating the trend. Once everyone's fully invested, that's a temporary cap on growth, and then you usually see downside. In the definition of a parabola, the word unsustainable is in it. An unsustainable trend is what we're looking at, right? You can't go up in a curved line forever. It's impossible. So what does that mean? It means that Once everyone is so confident that we're going to be going straight up in a straight line forever, well, you should be looking for a breakdown in the trend and really just some sideways action before running up again later. So yes, we have a lot more bullish price action. We probably have the initiation of a major alt season coming, and the next many months are going to be most likely awesome for everybody if we follow the trend here. But once we hit a blow off top on that second lower high, the altcoins have their biggest runs, and then usually everything cools down, sideways action, and then punch again into 2025. Something along these lines. From my experience of all my years in crypto, this is what I'd be looking for. So it's not the end of the cycle when we hit 90,000 breakdown. That's not what I'm saying. It is simply just an area to cool off, to go sideways. For reaccumulation, healthy price action, let coins change hands, let a whole new group of investors get in on that sideways action that's healthy, and then look to run up again. So that is what we're looking for in this market. And yes, we could probably go to six figures in this cycle. It's quite likely that we do. Market psychology is an interesting thing because when the price gets all the way to the lows, people are most bearish. Why? Because they're least invested down here. That's how the price got there. Everybody sold and everyone's bearish and they're least invested. Smart money buys. When the price gets all the way up to a major target and everyone's super confident, overly hyped, saying anything bearish is bad, at that point, if everyone's acting like that, saying these things, that's the opposite of the other side of the trend. Up here, well, that's a bit of a warning sign that everyone's fully invested and we might need to cool down at least somewhat before running again. So that is the overall gist of the Bitcoin analysis that I have going right now, or that we've had going for a while. Is it possible that we go higher than that? It is possible. We would just have to keep our eye on the trajectory, make sure that we're not breaking down in any major way. Is it possible that we don't go that high? That's also possible. We hit a price target slightly lower than 90 and we break the trend. Well, that's also a break of the parabolic trend, which might mean we're going sideways for a while before going up again. There are a lot of possibilities. It doesn't have to be exactly this, but this is the general idea based on the textbook. So there you go. So yes, altcoin season is likely around the corner. Ethereum is giving us signs of that. Bitcoin's near the all-time high once again. Ethereum ETF seems to be more likely now, and Bitcoin is still going parabolic. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and be sure to hit the bell notifications so that you never miss a video. Be sure to join the Patreon to get extra content, see what altcoins we're getting into, and also sign up for Kraken Pro. I have a tutorial on how to use Kraken Pro on this channel. Check out that video if you're interested in using Kraken Pro, signing up. Click that link below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.